that Muvue. Muvue is an app that allows you to watch full-length free movies from your browser. Here we have our list of movies. Each movie shows us the movie poster, the number of times that it was liked, and that it was saved or favorited. As we scroll down, you'll see that as the page loads more and more movies, that the scroll bar will get smaller and smaller, and this is our infinite scrolling feature that was added. It's a pretty neat feature. So we have a couple of movies, many of which are classic movies and some blockbuster movies, including documentaries like this one, Race of Giants. You can click on any of these and it will take you to the page where you can watch the movie, or you can also use our dynamic search bar to search for a movie. And as you type the name, it will match the letters to the name of a movie that is on our list. So let's go to Blitz. And as I click on it, you can see that this is a full-length movie of 1 hour and 36 minutes and 50 seconds. And we can maximize the movie to full screen.
Hello very much.
And we can minimize it.
Is that it?
And
Perhaps
of course,
I didn't make myself clear, Mr.
we
Dunlop.
can adjust the
I know the
volume,
name Cop Killer.
and we can pause it. Right. So given that we're not signed in, we cannot like, save, or write a review. However, we can see that there are some reviews that were previously written by other users, and we would have to create an account in order to write our own review or favorite or save. So before we do that, let's go to our trends page. Our trends page shows us our most liked, our top 10 most liked, most favorited, and most reviewed movies. We also have graphical representation of those in the form of those charts below. We can see, we can exclude the other two charts to see our most liked movies, most reviewed movies, and most favorited movies. On our x-axis, we have the number of likes, and the y-axis shows us the movies, the top 10 movies. So if we hover over this data point, we see that 3 Days to Kill is our most liked movie at 43 likes, and it's at the top of our list. And we see that Out of Time and Magic of Belle Isle have 41 likes. And Bratz, the movie, it is at the bottom. It coincides with 37 likes. We're gonna go ahead and create an account. So this form features data validation for each field. So if we try to let's say as we enter more than 3 characters, it will change from a red X to a green check mark. And if we don't do that, then we won't be able to proceed, as we'll constantly get pop-ups that tell us that we need to enter more than 3 characters. And let's use Paragon, for instance. And then for email as well, it fulfills basic validation, email validation. It has to fulfill the correct format for an email. So jack.com will not do, jack@com will not do, and jack@gmail will not do. So it will only validate when you enter the correct format for an email address, which includes the @ symbol and the domain name and domain extension, the .com. So now we create our account. We get a pop-up saying account created. Thank you for signing up. If we go to our inbox, we can see that we receive an email from Muvue saying, thank you, hi Paragon, thank you for signing up to Muvue, and it tells us what we're able to do as a user. Happy streaming, Muvue staff. So we're back to our profile page. We see that we're signed in as Paragon. And this is our profile page with our default picture, our name, username, email. We can change any of these fields using this update your profile form. So let's say we want to change it to Joe, and we can go ahead and change it. Now it changed to Joe. And I want to mention that even though those other fields are left blank, it will not blank out the other two or the other three. Even though they are left blank, it will only update the information that the field that is for which information was added. We can update our picture as well. So let's just change. We can change our default picture and add another picture to it. Let's see if we have any cool pictures. Okay, we can add this. Okay, so we have a preview on the right side of the picture. We're gonna go ahead and add it. So we see at the top it's changed now. And there's also an option to delete your account, although we don't recommend it at all. Please do not do this. So we're not gonna do that. So now we can go ahead and go to a movie, and we can now like a movie, or we can favorite it as well. So you can see that it changes to green, and you can also leave a comment. Very cool movie. Alright, so the comment will show us the picture, our name, the date, and the time, 8:55 a.m. and it's on my system. It matches that time, 8:55 a.m. So we can also delete our comment, but we cannot delete a comment that was not written by us, by another. If it was written by another user, you won't be able to delete it. So now that we've saved it and favored it and liked it, we can if we go to My Movies, it shows us our list of favorites, and this movie was added here, and it was also added to our liked movies. We can go to it. If we click on it, you can go back to that movie, and you can let's say we want to remove it from our list from our liked movies. Then if we go back, we see that it's no longer there. So we're gonna go into I just want to log into a profile that already has a bunch of movies to show you what it looks like. So we're logged in as Fortnite Lover, and it says welcome Fortnite Lover, and we have our list of our movies, favorite movies, and our liked movies, and our reviews. So we can click on any of these, any movie or any of these comments here, and it will take us to that particular movie. All right. Like let's say we go to Fortnite, then it will show us. One second. I think my computer is acting up a little bit, but it would show us okay, yeah. So now it's loaded. So it shows us our comment as Fortnite Lover, the comment that we left previously, Fortnite Lover, and the other comments that were left also. I would highly recommend that you pause the video just to read those comments, as they were pretty hilarious. Alright, so that's pretty much it, and we can go ahead now and log out, and we have an about page that shows us the relevant technologies that were used to build this app. So thank you for watching, and take care.